Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we will learn addition of algebraic expressions. For class 6, I have taken R.S. Agarwal book exercise 8C. So let us begin. Addition of algebraic expression is possible only the terms are like. For example, if it is 2x and 3x, I can add them. So it will be how much? On adding, it will be 5 times of x. Same as your 2 rupees plus 3 rupees. This makes your 5 rupees. Similarly, if it is a square and I'll add 3a squared. So it will give you 1a square plus 3a square give you 4a square. Now I'm taking 3 terms, twice ab, 3 times of ab and minus 4 times of ab. If I'll add them, how to add? I'll take the numerical coefficients 2, then 3, then your minus 4 and all have ab. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1. So this will be A, B. Now if it is 2x and it is added to 5y, here the addition is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because they are not like terms or they are unlike terms. One is x, one is y. Let us go for some more examples. There are two terms here. One algebraic expression says 2a plus 3b. Another is 3 times of a plus 5 times of b. I'll add them. So how to add? I'll write 2a plus 3b. And for addition, I have to put a positive sign. 3a plus 5b. Then I'll group your like terms. 2 I say and 3 times of a. I'll take them together. Then I'll take b terms together. So this will be plus 3 times of b plus 5 times of b. Next I'll go for simplification. Twice a plus 3 times of a. That will be 5 times of a. And here 3 times of b plus 5 times b. That will be 8 times of b. Similarly, if it is your 2p plus 5 times of q, and we have to add minus 3 times of p minus 7 times of q. So what I'll do, first I'll put the positive sign in between so that it will give you the symbol that it is added, minus 7p. So this is very important, put a positive, and when there is a negative, you put a bracket here because 3 times of p has negative p, negative 3. So 2p, negative 3p, they will be added, and 5p will be 5q will be added to minus 7q. Now how to simplify this? No problem. So first you take the numerical coefficient 2 and here it is your minus 3. Next for second one, 5, negative 7, q. Now 2 minus 3, you have read integers, it will be minus 1, so minus p. Don't write minus 1, it will be minus p, it is sufficient. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 2q. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood. Now let us go for the questions. First is 3x and 7x. Add. This is your exercise 8.3. Question is your first question. Add 3 times of x plus 7 times of x. So what you will do, first you will write with a positive sign. That means we are adding them, plus sign. Then 3 plus 7 will be added, the coefficient, numerical coefficient, it will be 10 times of x. Next, at 7y, negative 9y. So 7y plus negative y. You will write in this way. So 7 minus 9 and y. That means this negative will be taken care. It has negative sign. So next is 7 minus 9, you know that is negative 2. So 2y. Next, third is 2xy, 5xy minus xy. All are like terms. They have variables your xy. So 2xy plus 5xy, then plus minus xy. Minus xy means it has the coefficient minus numerical coefficient minus 1. So this will be 2 plus 5, and from the last term I am taking minus 1, and all will have xy. So next is 2 plus 5, 7, minus 1, 6 xy. Fourth, 3x plus 2y. What is the result? No result as it is, because they are unlike terms. So then what if the answer? Answer is same as 3x plus 2y. Next, 2x square minus 3x square, 7x square. So all are like terms because they have x square variables. So put a addition sign, minus 3x square. Please note that how I am writing your negative things. Negative will be always put in the bracket. So next I'll take the numerical value 2 minus 3 and 7. So 2 minus 3 plus 7. Then I'll write x square. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 7. It will be 6x square. This will be 7. Next, 6 is 7xyz minus 5xyz, 9xyz, 8xyz. There are 4 algebraic expressions, but they are like. They have all xyz. So first I'll put the positive sign to show that they are added. Plus 9xyz, then plus minus 8xyz. Then I'll go for numerical coefficient. First is 7, then it is minus 5, then it is plus 9, then it is negative 8. So negative should not be ignored. Then xyz. Now simplify this. Positive, positive I can write, this is 16. Negative, negative I can add, this will be 13. So it will be how much? 3xyz. Sixteen minus 13. Okay. Next is, again there are 4 algebraic expressions. All are monomials and all have a cube, so they are like. So 6a cube plus minus 4a cube plus 10a cube plus minus 8a cube. So take the numerical coefficient 6 minus 4, then plus 10. Next minus 8, a cube. Then 6 plus 10, 16, minus 4 minus 8, minus 12, a cube. How much it will be? 4 times a cube. Eighth part. So there are algebraic expression 3, but all are binomial. They have different terms, 2 terms each. So no problem. Let us write. They are added. So I am writing minus 5x square plus 2x square, 2a square, Then addition, minus 4x square plus 4a square. Then what I'll do, I'll separate them. One group is x square group, one group is a square group. So they will not combine, they will be separate. So I'll take x square minus 5x square minus 4x square together. X square minus 5x square minus 4x square, they are a different group. Then your a square, here it is negative a square plus 2a square plus 4a square. So I am writing it will be negative a square plus 2a square and plus 4a square. Then simplify. The x square means its coefficient is what? 1. So 1, negative 5, negative 4, x square. And what about here? This is also negative 1. A square minus a square, its coefficient, numerical coefficient is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 2 plus 4, a square. So how much is this? It will be your minus 8x square. This will be plus 5a square. Check it once. Minus 5 minus 4. Right? Minus a square, 5 square. Correct. Next is question number 2. Question number 2, add the following. Here, only one single algebraic expression is there. So many terms, but it has some like terms. One is x, and x. First you identify, but don't ignore this sign. Whatever in the left you consider. So I am taking x plus 5x and minus 7x together. So all x I combine. Then I will go for y. Negative 3y, positive 7y, negative 2y. I'll write them together. Negative 3y plus 7y, negative 2y. So y completed. Then I'll go for z. Negative 2z, negative z and positive 4z. So this will be negative 2z, negative z plus 4z. So the answer is 1 plus 5 minus 7 x plus negative 3 plus 7 negative 2y plus negative 2 negative 1 plus 4z. Let me write this clearly. This will be now 1 plus 5, 6 minus 7. So this will be minus x. Next coming to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 7. This will be plus 2y. Next is z. Minus 3 plus 4. It will be minus z. It will be plus z. This is plus 1. It will be plus 1z plus 1. Next is again it is a big term. It is many similar terms. One is m square, m square, m square. Then some terms are m, m, m. Then some terms are constant. 5 minus 6 minus 7. So first I'm writing m square. Then I'll write minus 2m square. Then I'll write minus m square. One group finished. Next, minus 4m plus 6m minus 2m. Then I'll go for constant 5 minus 6 minus 7. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. Or here I can do m square minus m square. That will make it 0. So there will be only how much? Minus 2m square here. Minus 2m square. Then go for this one. Plus minus 4 plus 6 minus 2 into m. Then your plus, it will be minus 8. So this answer is minus twice m square. How much m is there? Oh my god, it is 0. 0 m plus 0. 0 m minus 8. So the answer will be minus 2m square. 0 m no need to write. You'll write minus 8. So m square minus 2m square minus m square minus m square minus 2m square minus 4m plus 2m 2m minus 2m 0 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 8. Correct. Next is question number 2, third part. Here you will write in the same way. What will write? First I'll write all x square. So 2x square minus 7x square plus 4x square. Then I'll go for xy minus 3xy minus 5xy plus xy. Then I'll go for y square minus 2y square minus 2y square minus 6y square. I hope you have understood. You can do yourself now. So 2, you can check the answer only. 2 minus 7 plus 4, all x square. Then your minus 3 minus 5, xy has coefficient 1, xy. Then your 1 minus 2 minus 6, y square. So simplify, 4 plus 2, 6 minus 1. So minus x square. Then it will be minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 plus 1 minus 7xy. Then it will be minus 8 minus 7 again. 7y square. Let me check once. 2x square minus 7x square minus 5x square plus 1. Correct. Minus 3xy minus 5xy minus 8xy is correct. Y square minus 2y square minus y square. Correct. Next is, again, what are the terms? One is xy, one is yz, one is zx. So xy, xy, xy. So I'll write 4xy minus 5xy minus 2xy, one term, plus minus 5yz plus 2yz, and here minus 3yz. Next I'll go for zx. This is zx. How many zx? This is zx, and this is zx. So plus minus 7zx plus zx plus 3zx. So this will be 4 minus 5 minus 2 xy. Next is minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 yz. Next is minus 7 plus 1, here 1, plus 3 zx. So it will be minus 3xy minus 6yz minus 3zx. Let me check. 4xy minus xy minus, okay, minus 5yz minus 3yz minus 6yz, okay, minus 7zx minus 6zx, okay. So this is correct. Next is question number 3. Add them. Here commas are given. So there are 3 algebraic expression. You have to write. Add them. You will put the addition sign. Then you will group. So first I'm writing all the terms. 3a minus 2b plus 5c. I'll add them. So I'll put a addition sign. Twice a plus 5b minus 7c. Then again addition. There will be another expression plus this. Then I'll group them together. A, A. So 3 times of A plus 2 times of A, and here negative A. Next your negative 2B plus 5B minus B. Then coming to C group, 5C negative 7C plus FC. So A, we wrote B, 5B minus B. We wrote next come 5C minus 7C. Then simplify. So 3 plus 2 minus 1 A. You can write directly now. You can now count 3a plus 2a 5a plus a minus a. It will be 4a. You can write directly. Here it will be minus 2 plus 5 minus 1. Minus b means coefficient is minus 1 plus 5 minus 7 plus c means 1. C. So this will be 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, 4 times of A plus 5 minus 3, 2 times of B. Then this will be minus 7 plus 5 minus 2 times of C. So this is the answer of this question. Let us check 3A plus 2A, 5A, 4A correct, minus 2B, 3B minus 2 correct, then 5C minus 2C, 5C minus 2C plus it will be C. So I have made a mistake here. It will be 5 plus 1, 6 minus 7. It will be minus C only, not 2C. So this is the answer. So once you will cross check, it will be correct. Next is again there is A, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. So don't forget to put positive addition sign in between. This step is very important. We are adding them, so we'll put in a proper way. Plus minus 4a plus twice ab plus 3 times of b. Then I'll make the group A, 8a. Here another A, 6a. Next minus 4a. So A completed. Next group is B. Negative 6ab, negative ab, negative 2ab, positive 2ab, ab completed. Then 5b. Next is your negative 8b. Next is your positive 3b. So 8 minus 6 minus 4, a, plus minus 6 minus 1 plus 2, b. So here 5 plus a minus 8 plus 3, then b. So 8 minus 6 minus 4. Is it minus 2? Yes. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7 minus 5b. Is it okay? Then plus 8 minus it will be 0. This is AB. I make a mistake. All the AB terms. Here also AB terms, and B is 0B. So the answer is minus 2A minus 5AB. So 8A minus 6A, 2A minus 2A, correct. Minus 6AB minus AB, minus 7 plus 2 minus 5AB, correct. Plus 5B minus 8B minus 3B plus 3B, 0B, correct. Next is Question number 3, x cube, x square, x 8. X cube, x cube, x square, x 1. 3, 6x, x square, x cube. So there are 4 terms, 3 algebraic expression, each having 4 terms. And you have to add it. So we have to put the first the addition sign. Plus minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1 plus 3 minus 6x plus 5x square minus x cube. Then one group is x cube terms, 2x cube. Here minus negative 5x cube. Next here at the end another x cube is there. So x cube completed. Plus then I'll come to x square. Negative 3x square, positive 2x square, then positive 5x square. Second group completed. Then I'll take as x plus 7x, negative 4x, negative 6x. Then what else is constant now? So this will be negative 8, positive 1 and 3. So go on doing 2 minus 5 minus 1 x cube plus negative 3 plus 2 plus 5 x square. Then 7 minus 4 minus 6 x. Here it will be how much? Minus 8 plus 1 plus 3. It will be negative 4. So it will be negative 4x cube. Simplify. It will be 7 minus plus 4x square. Then 3 minus 6. 7 minus 4, 3 minus 6. Negative 3x minus 4 is the answer. Let me check once. 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Okay. X square negative 3 plus 2. 1. 1 plus 5. 6. Negative 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 5. Okay. Then x 7x minus 4x. 3x. 3x minus 3. Correct. Minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 plus 3. Correct. Next is at the term. Here also there are 3 expressions, each having 4 terms. So we have to find similar and combine them. So 2x square minus 8xy plus 7y square minus 8xy square plus 2xy square plus 6xy minus y square plus 3x square. Next is plus 4y square minus xy minus y square x plus y square. So now combine the similar 2x square. Where is x square? Here is x square plus 3x square. Then where is other x square? There is no more x square. So these are 2. In the third term, see there is no x square. So one group finished. Next we'll go for xy. This is minus 8xy. Then here it is your plus 6xy. Then in the third there is minus xy. Next coming to y square. Plus 7y square. Then here minus y square, negative y square. Here it is plus y square. This is one term. What else remain? Remain is this one. Negative 8x y square. Y is a square and x is free. Is there any term here? Yes, this is a plus 2xy square. Is there any more terms? Here, minus y square x. Y square x is same as xy square. So let us combine. This is simple. I'll write 5x square, and this will be how much? Minus 8 plus 6, or it will be minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 plus 6. It will be minus 3xy. Then here I'll cancel this minus y square, they make is 0, plus 7y square. Next, coming to minus 8xy square plus 2xy square. This gives you minus 6. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7xy square. Next is again, there are three expressions having the four terms. Terms are x cube, y cube, z cube, 3xyz. X cube, y cube, z cube, xyz. X cube, y cube, z cube, xyz. So first I'll put the addition sign in between. Plus minus x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 6xyz plus x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 8xyz. So I'll take x cube together. X cube minus x cube minus x cube, then plus x cube. They are together. Next I'll go for y cube, here plus y cube, here minus y cube. Then I'll go for z cube. This will be minus z cube plus z cube minus z cube. Then about xyz. 3xyz minus 6xyz minus 8xyz. So here we can x cube minus x cube gives us 0. 1x cube. Here y cube minus y cube gives us 0. So 1y cube. Here plus z cube minus z cube gives 0. So minus z cube. Here you will simplify. So it will be 3 minus 6 minus 8 xyz. So answer is x cube plus y cube minus z cube minus 14 minus 11 x y z. I hope you've learned a lot. So practice some more questions so that you can be very perfect, or you will master the learning. Next time we'll learn subtraction. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video so that other can learn. Thank you.